Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi hamda syakirin. Alladzi anara quluba ibadihil muttaqin. Binuril kitabil mubin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi min jami' ummatihi ila yaumiddin. Amma ba'd. My beloved brothers and sisters, Muslimin and Muslimat, who are glorified by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wherever you are. Thanks so much. This time we can gather in this opportunity. And we don't forget always greeting and salutation for our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The next one, everyone. Thank you very much. We are Muslim. Once again, thank you so much. We are Muslim. Muslim coming from Islam. Islam is a religion which is chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The name of Islam, does not come from someone, but it's original from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can check out in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Imran, okay? Inna dina inda Allahil Islam. Allah who said. In another surah, we can check out in Al-Ma'idah. Waraditu lakumul Islam adina. Subhanallah. It's clear that the name of our religion, Islam, not coming from someone, not coming from area, but coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The understanding of Islam, wow, very wide. Islam, based on the language, means peace. Once again, Islam is based on the meaning is peace. Peace until the end of time. Not peace at a time. No. Peace now until the end of time. Islam always gave the situation in good one and peace. Yeah. Okay. Once again, everyone. We have said that Islam, it is special from Allah, and Islam is perfect and complete religion for human being until the end of time. Once again, Islam is perfect and complete religion for human being until the end of time. The perfect of Islam, the legal concept is from Allah, not human creation, not human engineering. Total of Allah who made the legend. All the rule of Islam coming from Allah. That is, Islam is perfect. And that Islam is complete. Islam, complete of Islam means all its teaching include all aspects of life human until the end of time. Subhanallah. It is very good. Once again, complete of Islam means all its teaching include all aspects of life of human until the end of time. Once again, everyone. So, the presence of Islam anytime, anywhere can color the order of human life without destroying situation. As long as the concept of monotheism is not disturbed, the concept of La ilaha illallah, it is fixed price. Everyone, Alhamdulillah, we are Muslim. Once again, until scholar of Islamic scholar says, al-Islamu al-Islamu solihun fi kulli zamanin wa makanin. Al-Islamu solihun fi kulli zamanin wa makanin. It is the statement of the Islamic scholars. And this statement does not conflict with Al-Quranul Karim. Yeah? Okay. Al-Islamu solihun fi kulli zamanin wa makanin. The presence of Muslim, impossible making damage. Islam is solihun. Islam is suitable. Islam is suitable, and then Islam is okay. Yeah, Islam is suitable with the all situation, anywhere and anytime. I think enough, everyone, and we promise we will continue. If we have blessing of life from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, but sorry, yeah. If I have to come back to Allah, I'm sorry. But if I'm still alive, I'm going to continue to talk in this opportunity. Thank you very much for your attention. And I know lot of speaking, lot of mistaken. Then I say, Wallahul muwafiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.